Hello, welcome to today's workshop. Today's workshop is going to be the Seascape window frame or picture frame. Today's workshop is going to be presented to you by Robin here, who works with Cricket's Nest Craft Shop. Robin's going to be showing us how to do a Seascape window.
We're going to do what I call window art. It's an old window from a home that somebody has donated to me. This is what it originally looked like when I first started with it. And you can leave it that way if you prefer, or as you can see, I painted mine because I'm doing this seascape. The first thing you're going to do is glue your elements to the glass, and I always choose this silicone waterproof multi-purpose formula, and it works well for me. So I'm going to start up here and we're going to work our way down here and finish it off. As you can see, I've done these two window panes. So what I like to do is I just start with some glue, and I already knew I wanted to use this sand dollar right there. Gently press on because they're gentle, you don't want to break it. And then I'm going to start up here at the top and just fill in where you think you want to put some sea glass. I also have regular glass chips that are broken, different colored half marbles in different sizes. I've got the large ones as well. I think I'll start with one of those. Gently press down on them. And I like this cobalt blue. I'll take that. Use that there. Add some more of your silicone. Getting a little low on my sea glass here. And then I like to fill it in with, you can also use beads. I have clear beads to make it look like splashing water. And then I'll just drop them in here randomly to fill in some spaces. And then I like to use this little, I think this is someone who works with clay, but I like to use it to press my beads down into the glue without using my fingers. And it's all random. There's no particular design. You just do what's pleasing to you. If you feel like you don't have enough glue, you can always lift the item up and add more to it, depending on how big the piece is. Alright. And then sometimes I use these little seed beads. As you can see, I have some over here that are more turquoise. I ran out, so I'm going to use these blue ones. And I just sprinkle them on there to give it a little more dimension and push it in the glue. Also gives you some more color to your project. Here we go. We'll start on the second window pane. Try to come up with some kind of crazy design. Let's see, I'll put my large shells in first. Very random. Like I might be a little low on my glass beads here, but you will still get the idea of how to fill in your spaces. So we're not going to be able to finish this side because I ran out of the clear beads. To give you the idea, what I'm going to do is probably put some more marbles in here and fill it in with the clear beads and add the little seed beads for some more color and definition. And that's how you do your window seascape artwork. Sprinkle